Alright, today I am going to make an air fried butter cake. I'm going to make a butter cake and put it in the air fryer. Alright, I'm going to need 6 tablespoons of butter. And 1/4 cup of sugar plus 2 tablespoons. Stir that up though. This butter is supposed to be softened, but I put it in the microwave. Okay. I'm going to add my egg. Hope y'all can see that. Okay. And I've got, I've got 1 2/3 cup of flour, and I've got my salt in here. Okay, and I've got 6 tablespoons of milk. Get this stirred up good. Okay. I've got to make sure I've got everything. Alrighty. Not gonna hold it all, but a friend of mine, that's a subscriber to my YouTube channel, she sent me this little cake bundt pan. This goes in the air fryer. Put part of it in here. Let me get me a spoon. I've got this greased. to be able to get it all in there. Alrighty. Now I'm going to put this in the air fryer and cook it for 15 minutes. Get that out of there. And I will bring you back. Let me get this. Alright, I have got it out of the microwave and it turned out so good, and it did cook in 15 minutes. And I'm gonna sprinkle some confectioner sugar on here. Don't that look good? If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I've got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. Let me get the top back on this. Alright, thank you so much. Y'all have a good day. Just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all.